Kelsey's doing both. I'm going to the gym. Probably do a 5k. Maybe lift some weights. Don't really like doing that, but we'll see. $5k done. So Kelsey is now woken up. I've had my coffee. Kelsey's had her coffee. And it's time for a quick dip, I think, innit, Kels? Yeah. And then...
night train.
Sleeper night train to Bangkok. Are you excited? Yes. Wow. So painful, this door.
Passage mode. Passage mode. Too much.
Far too much. But we've had a dip this morning. Used the pool facilities. And now we're vacating the premises. Checkout's 11:30. It was 11, but she extended it for half an hour. It's now 20 to 12. Hopefully we can leave our bags with the security. And then go out, get a few bits that we need, and then get ready for the night train. Leaving our bags at the hotel. 50 baht a bag. It'll do. Won't it, guys?
Yeah.
How warm is it?
Warm.
Quick food break. Kelsey's got 1, 2, 3, 4 dishes.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you
That's
are.
to share.
And then that's my fried rice, and I've pinched a bit of her chicken, but... we did come to get to that shop, but it's closed today.
We'll be able to find some Bangkok.
Yeah. Gonna eat this. What else do we need to get? A couple of bits from 7-Eleven. And then sort of just chill and wait till we go to the train station, I think. But yeah. I like that. Feels it. I like it. Flavours. Getting the snacks for the night train. Smell good.
That one relieves. So, Connor's found another rice hat.
I don't think they know about it.
He left his rice hat in the mountains.
Because it was getting too hard to drive with it on. And I said, I'll always get one if we see one. And we've not seen one. And who mentioned it? Just video the floats, right?
Me, I'm videoing the lady taking it off.
Okay, couple of
Thank you.
Voila.
Oh, don't forget your Von Dutch hat.
Oh yeah. You can have. Coffin cab. This one was basically 3 times less the price. But look how sick I look.
Yeah.
Von Dutch Von Smutch. Am I right? Am I right, Kels?
What?
Von Dutch Von Smutch, am I right?
We're just in the hotel waiting for a taxi man to come. Got another 50 minutes. Connor's just on his laptop. just chilling out until we get to the train station. You excited for the train?
Buzzing.
So excited. I'm excited to get out of Chiang Mai. Too long we've been here. So yeah, going to Bangkok. Wonder what it's going to be like. It's going to be hectic, I know that. But we will record when we're on the train and let you know how it is. Because I've heard a bit of mixed reviews on the train. Hopefully I'm sat next to Connor too, because he said that I'm not guaranteed to be sat next to him. So hopefully someone moves. I'm not sitting on my own. So yeah, got all our snacks. We need to pick our bags up soon through there.
Wait, one second.
One sec, guys. One sec.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Do you want to see me with it on? Oh yes.
And we have arrived at where?
Chiang Mai train station.
Oh yeah, so all the bags loaded. Ready for?
13-hour train.
I'm going to be wearing this hat all the way through.
I hope not.
I definitely am. So we are on the night train. That is just the hole that leads to the tracks. Spicy garlic prawn. Yeah.
Now we better lost snacks.
What do you want there, Cal?
Fresh orange juice, let's have a test. Ooh, tastes. Don't know, it tastes like our orange juice.
No, it doesn't. I thought that before.
It's like, you know, the taste of the pit inside an orange juice.
Yeah, well, if you suck in, there's them little like jelly seed bits in the bottom, which taste a lot like that polluto, whatever I had, polluto. That fruit, them big orange slices that I had the other day.
You didn't taste it that, I don't think.
Like a mild orange. But yeah, fresh orange juice, bring that around, and then onto our bunk beds later on. Still light, so we'll probably stay down here till it goes dark.
Me and Connor are going to do face masks.
Face masks. Replenish. It's actually not bad, this is a Kelsey sound.
No, it's not. But it's not dark yet, so you won't be able to look outside.
It's actually chilly. We've got the aircon cabin, haven't we? And it's cold. Oh, but we've been up early, so we're tired. Just going dark now. It's about what, 6 o'clock, Kels?
Oh no, 20 to 7.
20 to 7. Our Bangkok accommodation books. Gone for a pool. Costs us £26 a night. 26 British pounds. Slightly more expensive than what we have been paying, but there was a couple of other options. One was poorly located and the other had bad reviews, so spent that few extra quid, and it normally saves you any upset. So yeah, all the beds are starting to go up now. We're just waiting for ours to get done, and then we're gonna go down. There's a restaurant apparently, so we're gonna go down there, see if we can grab some food. So we are in a super delicious restaurant.
We're getting that then.
Kelsey's just reading the super delicious menu.
Should we go for that for safeness? Or should we just go for something?
I'm just gonna go for something that'll fill me up. So maybe a rice and egg. Rice. I don't want any of that. I might go rice and egg and some chips. Rice, egg and chips. Rice, egg and chips, yeah? Rice, egg and chips. See if they do it. It's not on a set. Oh, and we've been separated. We were sat together, but this is like where we've just stopped. And some locals have jumped on. And Kelsey's in one of the local seats, so we're all now in our designated seating area, which Kelsey's not too happy about.
No, it's not that. It's because top bunk.
She's now in the top bunk. Well, we both are, to be fair.
Was she supposed to be back?
No, if we was, I would have said, like, you know what I mean? But she was meant to be in the bottom bunk. Because the lady said, like, she would have swapped with us if it weren't on the top bunk. Because it makes her head go dizzy or something, so.
Oh, just make my head go fucking dizzy. At least I got this, guys.
Her Thai what?
Inhaler.
So you can't order things separate. You only have to order the set meals. So we've had to go for chicken and pork with rice and a fried egg, and then we went for the ham and cheese sandwich with fries, didn't we? They did have an option for French fries on their own, but they're not selling them. So if the chicken tastes alright, looks alright, I might eat it. But the ham's going to be minging though, I know it is. It's not going to be proper ham, is it? And the food has arrived. How do you open this thing?
So mine.
£3, 150 baht. Can't grumble. How am I going to eat the chicken? I might eat a piece of it. That cheese. basket there for your lawn clothes. All right. I think it was. Didn't work. And then yeah, got plenty of room. Enough room anyway. I'm like 6 foot, so plenty of room. Me and Kels was considering potentially sharing top bunker, but we don't know if it'd hold our weight together. So we've opted not to squash the person below. I'll just have separate. Toilet's right next to me. Could be positive or a negative. No, it's accessible, but everyone's using it. Yeah. Other than that, pretty sound. To get to the restaurant, that was a blue bit. They have plugs.
Is that first class then?
I don't know. There was no tickets for them, so. But how you find it? Is there plenty of room? Or are you using you?
No, that was already in there.
Oh.
Which is great.
Nice dirty used tissue. Great. Does your light work?
Nope. Does yours?
No.
That toilet. Fucking. Sorry for my swear, but it stinks. Have you been in it?
No. Right, sorry, I've been in the men's one. I haven't been in the men's even worse. Went in with no shoes on.
Nice.
That is a wrap for tonight. It's about just going on 10 o'clock now. Quiet times after 10. Me and Kelsey brushed our teeth, so we're in bed sheet over there. The SD card's nearly fallen in the GoPro, so all comfy, ready for some kip. And we are reunited.
Oh, that was...
We're that bad, they were awful.
No, my phone died and it was moving bad at one point.
Yeah, it was, I felt it a bit. Oh, his doors all popped up. That's where I was sleeping. Everyone's leaving now. It's about 6 in the morning. Had about 4 hours sleep or something. Been alright, to be fair. Apart from everyone talking about half an hour earlier. We're in the taxi. On our way to our hotel. Can't check in till 2. I've texted them to see if we can check in early, but and our asses slept, to say the least, on this taxi drive. Cost us 400. Well, it's looking like 160. Don't ask me why I've paid it. Can't really see, but it's come to a breakfast spot up here now. We're going to record though, because I don't know where what's up there. But we forgot to film.
Coffee right.
More about Kels. There's Kelsey in the background. Kelsey is now overtook us. My guy just loves driving really close to cars. Oh, man. How close you get? Wow. Wow. This guy's good at weaving. Wow. Wow. There's Kels. Oh, he's in. He's out. He's in. He's out. Oh, he doesn't mess around, this lad. Tell you what, he does not mess around. Look at this, look. Whoa. How close he is. Wow. Hey up, Kels. Honestly, I don't even want to get a moped here. I don't even want to get a bike. down that way for some reason. We're here. Paragon, Kelsey mentioned it, man. Meant to be a decent little sun there, but we shall see.
Do you like that neck one?
Why come and pay for a massage if you just come to the mall and get one? The neck one's quite nice, it's like getting in with knots. Make me cough.
ผลนวดที่ 4 นวดกล้ามเนื้อของร่างกาย
Kneading
ออฟฟิศซินโดรมปวดเมื่อยหลังออกกำลังกายกล้ามเนื้อเกร็งผ่อนคลายเป็นการด้วยมัส
I've got the back in my hand.
เวียนหัวแบบก็ขาดไร้สาย
No, grab
ปรับ
it.
ความเร็วได้ถึง
Put it
20
on
ระ
there,
ดับ
see? Now I can bring it
เรา
down.
เปลี่ยนได้ถึง 4 หัวอายุการใช้งานแบตเตอรี่ที่ยาวนานชาร์จกับ power bank ได้ทำงานเลือกไม่รบกวน
Nice, nice in there.
ด้วยดีไซน์ที่สวยขนาดกระทัดรัดใช้งานได้ทุกที่ทุกเวลา
Nice.
Oh, are you taking it in?
No?
Huh?
Whole lot of pink. Ready, cab?
Jump on the bed. No, don't hurt your head though.
Is this another food gaff? Alright, let's go downstairs, babe. I can't look at food. Nice. Ah, okay. So, I went to the toilet before near the supermarket, and Kelsey waited outside. When I came back down, Kelsey had had a conversation with a man about what was open and what was closed. We'd been advised to jump in this tuk-tuk. He'd take us round to a few of the shops that are open, and then jump on a boat from out on the river. So he seemed nice enough, genuine. And the taxi man's bang on. But like the 2 shops we've been to so far, one was called a souvenir shop.
Yeah.
But it were a souvenir shop, as you would expect, like, you know, buying fridge magnets and all the rest of it. It was a full-blown diamond ring shop, right, with price tags of like 400,000 baht. And it was just like instantly pushed into like buying stuff, felt pressured and stuff. And now we've just come to a bag shop. So hopefully, no video. Oh, okay, Cap. No video in this one. So that was Tommy's Fashion Shop, I think it's called. Load of snide gear. Some good quality stuff in there, to be fair. Better than what we've seen in Phuket. And he was actually sound as well. Like, he weren't pushing out. He said, just don't look. You don't have to buy. Just look. Whereas everywhere else we've been this morning, they was like, oh, buy now, buy now, buy now. So I think we're going on a boat trip now. I can't say I'm like very optimistic considering the other events of this morning. But we'll see. It's only, what time is it?
Maybe should we go back to
It's not even,
7?
it's not even 10 o'clock yet. Might as well do this now. But now we are at the Riverside Summit. I don't know what it is, but when we first got put into this tuk-tuk, the manager at the fucking bridge we was on said all this trip will only cost 100 baht. So we will see at the end of this. Come on, babe. I'll let you know. Right, so we're off the tuk-tuk now. Wow. Wow, that's painful. The tuk-tuk now was actually sound.
It's been a lot in the last 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours and it's been absolutely manic. The tuk-tuk guy was like, well, we got collared, I told you this already. Then he took us like around loads of shops that he must get stamps for taking us there, for, you know, just for us looking about. So every time we was ushered into a shop, like forced to look around. Then they were like, oh no, you must buy, you must buy. It's like, wow, come on, let me measure you. You can pick up tonight. Fucking hell, so heavy. Even after me saying, when I first walked in, Kelsey, what did I say? I'm not buying anything, I'm just looking and pricing up. Just want to see how much everything costs. And then
do you want to buy it? Oh, no, I don't.
And it's like, listen, I'm all for like.
Is this the fake market?
Well, it could be, yeah. I'm all for going around and looking and stuff, and I understand, you know. Alright, you know. And I understand, you know, they haven't got time to be just messing about, but we didn't ask to go, do you know what I mean? We didn't ask to go to that. I said we wanted to go to, where did you say to that man that we wanted to go originally?
Nowhere. I was saying I was waiting for the shopping
mall to open, and then he said, he was like, oh,
shopping mall.
Yeah, he was like, oh, don't worry, this opened at 10 o'clock. I take you to a different shopping place. Oh, what a mistake that was. Wow. Yeah, it's not a scam. It's not a scam. They're not.
I have seen things on YouTube though of a girl. She gets in a tuk-tuk and she gets taken around everything.
Yeah. So
and at the end she gets charged double.
Right. Yeah. Well, if the tuk-tuk man didn't stick to his price, then it would have been a scam. But I'd call it more of a trick, Kels. It's not a scam because they're not scamming you out of anything. Because at the end of the day, he still took us to where we wanted to go. But on the way to where we wanted to go, he stopped 5 times. Do you know what I'm saying? All these different shops.
And even though we've been to a suit shop, he took us to another
suit shop because he was sponsored by that shoot shop or something, and he gets a stamp. So just be aware that if you do come into Bangkok, either outline the fact that you do not want to get taken to any suit shops or diamond ring shops or all the rest of it, or avoid the tuk-tuks.
I thought I was going to go get some magnets.
Yeah.
Not a bloody...
I think your best bet, you know, obviously tuk-tuks are quite convenient when they're close to you and stuff. And if you can get a good price on them, like 100 bahts, like your typical tuk-tuk price. But if not, just use Grab. Food. Kelsey's, I think, probably already there now. She got picked up a little bit before me. But we're on the way to Rajadamnern Stadium, which is like one of the world-renowned Thai boxing stadium. Like, you know, it's the pinnacle of the Muay Thai, the traditional Muay Thai anyway. So yeah, we're on the way there. But quick side note on Bangkok, what I've experienced today. It's about tuk-tuks really. We got absolutely scammed out of our head before. We had a 10 minute tuk-tuk drive. The guy asked for 1,000 baht. He was a young lad. He asked for 1,000 baht. I was like, not a chance, mate. He started like shouting and screaming and that. Anyway, I ended up giving him 500 baht. The trip on Grab was 130 baht. So if I got a Grab, I'd have paid 130. I ended up paying 500 just because, you know, it's not worth the hassle. Yeah, just, I don't want to say it, but I'd say overall just use Grab. Don't even bother attempting to, you know, it's bad saying that because then you miss all the actual decent, good tuk-tuks that will charge you, you know, an half decent price. But I think, especially if you're on a budget as well, it's not even worth the risk of one of them trying it with you, because that one, like today, that 500 baht that I've just given to him, that could have been 5 trips on Grab. You know what I mean? That's my Bangkok trip done, you know what I mean? I probably will only use Grab 5 times, but I'll only have, you know, or somewhere, you know, thereabouts. So just something worth noting when you come to Bangkok. Doing the actual decent tuk-tuk drivers a disservice though, you know what I mean? They should be onto these young lads, saying, listen, don't be fucking about scamming them, because you know, you mess up the future. Won't be out on this. But yeah, you mess up the future customers for them boys who are actually doing it proper. So well, to be honest, only been to local flights as well, so this will be sick. I'm very excited for it. You excited, guys? Time to watch some proper fight.
The birthplace of Muay Thai. Tonight, we have 7 bouts of 3 rounds Muay Thai featuring top fighters from Thailand, the USA, France, Belgium, Spain, Uzbekistan, England, Iran, Morocco, and Ecuador.
Crack it, to be fair, honestly, like, this is probably, well, it is the best that I've ever been to, isn't it? 100%. If you're in Bangkok, get yourself down here, because it is, honestly, a very good night. We've got beer on tap, we've got great entertainment, knockouts, elbows, cuts, all of it, you know? England versus Iran. Who are we voting for? We enjoyed the English fight. Guess who won? England. สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
คุณชื่ออะไรครับ
เสริม
Sam Connor Sam
เสริม
Nice to meet you Sam
ไทยแลนด์
Thailand อร่อยอร่อย
อร่อยมาก
Kelsey
Alloy Mac Mac.
นิดหน่อย
And Connor is a lightweight. Right there.
Don't fall down. Kelsey.
And that is the end of today's video in
Paradise. Death fall, no, fall back.